Oh boy. So who's this for?
Here is winter storm warning information for the following area. In New Hampshire, northern Carroll, what? Heavy snow. Snow accumulations between 7 and 12 inches. Where? Northern Carroll County. When? Until 7 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Significant snowfall and periods of heavy snowfall rates will combine with low visibility to create very dangerous driving conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to newengland511.org. It is the bottom of the hour. Here is a recreation forecast for summits of Mount Monadnock and North Pack Monadnock Mountain. Tonight, areas are blowing the snow after midnight. Lows in the lower 20s.
How do you like
East winds
that?
15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chill values as low as 7 above. Sunday. Areas are blowing snow.
I was not expecting any expansions at
Highs in the
all.
lower 20s.
But there you have it, folks.
15 to 25 miles.
That is our first alert of 2024. Winter storm warning. Take a look at that. Good stuff we got going on here.